Hey there, welcome back to Limpiar's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're talking about our expert cleaning services tailored just for you. Whether you're a busy professional, a bustling family, or a business owner, Limpiar has the solution to keep your space looking its best. Let's jump right in. At Limpiar, we understand that a clean environment isn't just about appearances. It's about creating a space that promotes well-being and productivity. That's why our expert cleaning services are designed to go beyond the surface and deliver results that truly sparkle and shine. No two spaces are alike, and that's why our cleaning approach is always tailored to your specific needs. Whether it's a residential home, a commercial office, or a retail space, our expert cleaning services are customized to address your unique cleaning challenges. Our cleaning crew consists of trained and skilled professionals who are passionate about delivering the highest standards of cleanliness. With years of experience under their belts, they know exactly what it takes to make your space sparkle. At Limpiar, we're not just committed to cleanliness, we're also dedicated to sustainability. That's why our expert cleaning services incorporate environmentally friendly cleaning practices and products. We believe in creating clean spaces that are also kind to the planet. So, how exactly do we work our magic? It all starts with a thorough assessment of your space. We take the time to understand your cleaning needs and develop a customized plan to address them. But we don't stop there. Our commitment to excellence extends to regular quality assurance checks. Supervisors conduct inspections to ensure that our expert cleaning services consistently meet the highest standards. So, whether you're a homeowner looking for a fresh and inviting space or a business owner seeking a pristine environment for your employees and customers, Limpiar's expert cleaning services are here for you. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to experience the sparkle and shine of Limpiar's expert cleaning services, be sure to contact us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, keep sparkling with Limpiar.